Direct messages, or DMs, are private conversations between you and one other member. DMs don't appear in channels, and only the people included in the conversation can see the messages. To start a direct message, look for the notepad icon in your sidebar, where you can create a new direct message. Search for the person you want to message and click on their username. The direct message will now appear in your sidebar. You can also use InkChat as a note-taking application by direct messaging yourself. To set up a confidential direct message to yourself, find your username in one of your active channels. Click on your username and your full profile. That is where you can activate direct messaging and begin typing. In Channel and Direct Messages, use the formatting toolbar to share files and images or format text with bold or italics. You can even create a voice or video message. To enter a line break while composing, use the Control and Enter keys together. Just like channels, you can search for specific words or phrases within your DM conversations using the top search bar. Direct messages are private, but workspace administrators may have access to message history for compliance or legal reasons. Please follow our guidelines. In particular, you are not allowed to use InkChat to spam other members. You can control notifications for direct messages separately from channels. Just click on the three dots and adjust your notification settings. You can also mark important conversations with a star or favorite icon to pin them to the top of your sidebar for easy access. Well, that's it for messaging. In our next video, we'll cover account and profile management. Thanks for watching our InkChat tutorial. This video is presented for educational purposes and is not investment advice. Learn more about the Ink Research Premium Data and Screening Service at inkresearch.com or the Canadian Insider Ultra Club at canadianinsider.com. In the meantime, please check out our other educational tutorials to learn how we let the insiders guide us to opportunity using the Ink Research platform.